Okay, my people, welcome back. This is Abdul Hamano. I'll be taking math of primary. This time we're going to take on area. We'll start with the area of circles. Area of a circle. Then we'll proceed ahead. Remember in our last class of mathematics of primary, we have learned area of triangle and rectangle. For this class, we're going to learn the area of a circle. Then before we start this one, any student in primary is expected to know how to find the square root of a number. May God bless you if you don't know that, because you cannot catch up with the area, but I'll try my best to show you how to find the square root of any number using the long method in our next class. But catch up with me, let's go. Now I'll start with the area of a circle. Let me start with the area of a circle. Area of a circle. Example 1. Find the area of the circle below. Find the area of the circle below. This is the circle we have. So let's say the diameter is 28 centimeters. The diameter is what? 28 centimeters. Remember, area of a circle is gotten by area is equal to by r squared or by d squared over 4. This formula, the latter one, the second one, is very rare in K syllabus. However, you go to interview, maybe you're going to see this one by d squared over 4. In K, we say area is equal to by r squared, where r is the radius of the circle and by is constant. So you have the two options. Let me use the two of them. To start with, let's say, remember this line is called the diameter. This line is called what? Diameter. A diameter is a straight line that touches the circumference of the circle at 2 points and divide the circle into equal parts. That's what we normally call a diameter. Half of it is called radius. We call it what? Radius for your information. A half of diameter is equal to what? R, which is radius. So let's start using this formula. Area is equal to by r squared. Then what you're going to do is divide this one into 2. This will be 14 centimeter. Here, 14 centimeter. So I'll say area is equal to by, which is 20 to 7, times 14 centimeter, times 14 centimeter. Look at this. By 7, 1 by 7, 2. Area therefore is equal to 44 centimeter times 14 centimeter. When you multiply, this will give us 616 centimeter square. You can also use the second formula, which says area is equal to. Okay, let's say alternatively, you can say area is equal to by d squared over 4. By d squared over 4. You can use this formula. You can say area is equal to by times d squared 28 centimeter times another 28 centimeter divided by 4. Don't forget that. Divided by what? By 4. Then by 7, 1 by 7, 4 by 4, 1 by 4, 1. So area is equal to 22 centimeter. 22 times 1 times 28 centimeter. It will still give you what? 616 centimeter square. It will still give you this one. Can't you see now the two formulas will resolve the same answer? Yes. However, this formula is not one in K syllabus. Yeah. Then, the moment you learn how to get the area of a circle, then remember in any formula of mathematics, we have constant and variables. Here, you can be asked in the examination to find the radius, and then you'll be given the area. Then at time you can be given the area and you'll be told to find the circumference. Then, as a student of primary, you are expected to know how to get the radius so that you say circumference is equal to 2 by r or by d. Now let's see a situation where we have the area and we are expected to get the radius. Let's see that. Let's see that. Example 2. Example 2. Let's say the area of a circle is 1386 centimeter square. Full stop. Then you're told find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. We know that solution. We know that area is equal to by r square. Area is equal to what? By r square. Then we want to get r. First, what you're going to do is divide here by, divide also here by. You eliminate by. Cancel these two. Take your time. This is mathematics. So you are left with that r square. So we have r square is equal to area over by. Remember, we're looking for r but not r square. So what are we going to do? We will introduce root sign on both sides of the equation. Introduce root here. Here also root. Cancel these two. So r is equal to area over by. Area over by into root. This is how we are going to get r. Then you can say r therefore is equal to area, which is 1386 over by into root. Into root. Then times 7 times also 7. Cancel these two. By 11, 2. By 11, 1, 2, 6. By 2, 1. By 2, 63. 126 divided by 2. So you have r is equal to the square root of what? 63 times what? Times 7. When you go to high school, there's another way of solving without even multiplying these two. But now for primary case, what you're going to do is we'll multiply 63 by 7. That will give us 441. R is equal to the square root of 441. Then we have in case schools you have some teachers who are saying every day, try to get two numbers whose their product will give you 441. That's not the case. Friends, we have procedures and method to get the square root of a number. We have the log method, we have also the factor method. So you cannot tell a student to think of two numbers whose product will give what? 441. That's absolutely wrong. So if I want to get the square root of this number, 441, remember we have three numbers inside the square root sign. So we are going to separate them by use of comma. We are going to say 1, 2, comma. Then we wanted to get a number. Let's say this r is equal to this one. We wanted to get a number when placed here as well as here. Then we multiply by itself will give us 4. Obviously that number is what? That number is 2. 2 goes 2 times 2 is 4. So subtract 0. After you subtract, what you're going to do is multiply this number by 2, whatever it is. Even if it's 8, multiply by 2, please. So here we have 2 times 2 is what? 4. Place it there. Then bring this one down, this 2. Remember, we said if the last digit is what? If the last digit is what? Is 1, comma 1 or 9 goes up. Either of these two, because 1 times 1 is 1, 9 times 9 is 81, 1 carry 8. So let me start with a smaller number, that's 1. Okay? Now, place there 1, place also here 1. These are law of mathematics. Then take this 1, multiply by this 2-digit number. Then if the product gives you this number, then that number deserves to go there. Then times 1. 1 times 1 is 1, 4. You see now these two are matching up. So you can say 41, then subtract. So radius therefore is equal to 21 centimeter. radius what? 21 centimeter. So that's how you're going to get the radius of a circle. Then after that, we will proceed to area of semicircle. We will proceed to area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. That is half circle, yeah? Area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. It is half circle. So we're going to say, let's see example 1. Let's see example 1. They are told, find the area of the semicircle below. Semicircle below. Let's see this one. This one to the So let's say this is 42 centimeter. That is the radius of the the diameter of the semicircle. Then we can say area is equal to a half by r squared or a half by d squared over 4. A half times the area of a circle. Then from there I can move to this part. Let me come here. Let me have this part. Let me wrap this part. We are going to say, getting the radius, it will be what? 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. So now we can say, area is equal to, solution part. Area is equal to a half by r squared. So area is equal to a half times by times 21 centimeter times what? 21 centimeter. By 7 1 by 7 3 by 2 1 by 2 11. Area therefore is equal to 33 centimeter. This is 1 times 11 is 11 times 3, that 3 times 21 centimeter. Hopefully this will give us what? 693 centimeter square. So that's the final answer. That's what? That is the final answer for information. At times you can be given the area of semicircle, then you'll be told to find its radius. The area of semicircle, then you'll be told to find out its radius. So let's see that. Let's see that. Example 2. Example 2. Let's say the area of a semicircle. The area of a semicircle is 308 centimeter square. Find it is a radius. Find its radius. Now we know that. Coming to the solution part, let's come here. We know that area is equal to a half by r squared. Area A is equal to what? A half by r squared. This time we want to get the radius. We will multiply both sides by 2 to eliminate this 2, which is the denominator. So we can say times 2, cancel this 2. Then we have 2 area is equal to by r squared. Then to get r, divide here pi, divide here also pi. Cancel this 2. So r squared is equal to 2 area over pi. Then into root. So r is equal to 2 area over pi into root. Remember, this is how we are going to get the radius of a semicircle whose area is given. Then you can say r is equal to 2 times the area, which is 308 all over pi into root. Total into root. Then times 7 times also 7, cancel. By 2 1 by 2 11 by 11 1 by 11 28. So radius is equal to the square root of 28 times what? 7. So what you can do here is you can say r is equal to the square root of 4 times 7 times 7. To simplify for you, Then you can see r is equal to the square root of what? Then you take that, come here, r is equal to the square root of what? 4 times 49. Then r, what is the square root of 4? 2. The square root of 49 is 7. So r therefore is equal to 14 centimeter. That is the final answer. For your information, we will catch up from this point. We will start from this point in our next class. Otherwise, I wish you the best. Remember, mathematics of primary will help you to learn mathematics of secondary. Then please make sure you learn this thing the way they are. I hope this is the best of the best when it comes to derivation of formula of mathematics. Otherwise, I wish you the best.